These surprising facts you didn't know about the world at large will blow you away. Prepare to be astounded by these 25 facts that will shock and maybe even inspire you. If you still didn't subscribe my channel, now subscribe and press the bell icon button to get latest notification. Let's get started. Number 1. During World War II, all the snakes and dangerous insects were killed in the London Zoo by the zookeepers in case they managed to escape after a bombing. Number 2. The highest crime rate per capita of any city in the world is at Vatican City, where an average of 600 crimes are committed per year, despite only having 800 residents. Number 3. Wikipedia to date has taken about 100 million man-hours to create. This may sound like a lot, but in fact in a typical month, people in the US alone spend about 1.5 billion man-hours watching advertisements on TV. Number 4. One of the common early uses of heroin, which was marketed as non-addictive, was to help treat people who were addicted to morphine, even though heroin ultimately proved to be more addictive. When morphine was first isolated from opium in 1805, one of its early uses was as a non-addictive drug to treat people who were addicted to the less addictive opium. Number 5. About 3 billion pounds of potatoes are used to make McDonald's fries every year. This is about 8% of all potatoes grown in the United States or 0.5% of all potatoes grown in the world per year. Number 6. Air Force One is only called that when the US President is aboard. It is not a specific plane, and the US maintains a presidential air fleet at Andrews Air Force Base in Maryland, with each plane meeting the requirements for transporting the president. Number 7. Washington DC boasts about 277 lawyers for every 10,000 residents. This is nearly 14 times more lawyers per 10,000 than any other state in the United States. The lowest lawyer rate per capita is North Dakota with around 4 lawyers per 10,000 people. Number 8. The like button in Facebook originally was going to say awesome rather than like, according to Facebook engineer Andrew Bosworth. Zuckerberg eventually vetoed the awesome button in favor of the shorter like. Number 9. If a statue of a person in the park on a horse has both front legs in the air, the person died in a battle. If the horse has one front leg in the air, the person died as a result of wounds received in a battle. If the horse has all the 4 legs on the ground, the person died of natural causes. Number 10. The 2 tiny holes drilled in every big pen is to ensure that the air pressure is the same both inside and outside the pen, which helps the ink flow to the tip. Number 11. Bluetooth technology was named after a 10th century king, King Harald Bluetooth. He united Denmark and Norway just like the wireless technology united computer and cell phones. Number 12. The world's total population is more than 7.5 billion, and obviously that number sounds huge. However, it might feel a little more manageable once you learn that if every single one of those people stood shoulder to shoulder, they could all fit within 500 square miles of Los Angeles, according to National Geographic. Number 13. Attracting over 40,000 devotees each day due to a 300-year-old legend, the village in Maharashtra features establishments without any doors and locks. Its residents sleep soundly as they believe Lord Shani to be the guardian of the town. I wonder how they keep the rain away. Number 14. President Martin Van Buren was technically the first American president in that he was the first to be born American citizen as opposed to being born English or the like. He was also the first US president not to be the English or Irish ancestry. His ancestors were Dutch. Number 15. When times get tough, elephants will comfort each other by stroking loved ones with their trunks and emitting small chips. Number 16. A double rainbow occurs when the sunlight is reflected twice inside a raindrop. If you look closely, you can see that the colors of the secondary rainbow appear in reverse order. Number 17. A man planted 7,000 trees to make a guitar-shaped forest as tribute to his wife. Sadly, Mr. Vata admits he has only ever seen photographs of the complete guitar, as a traumatic event in his youth has left him a fear of flying. Number 18. In 1998, the US Army tried developing a telepathic ray gun where words could be transmitted to be heard like the spoken word, except that it could only be heard within a person's head. Number 19. People who don't exercise regularly can lose 80% of their strength by age 65. Muscle loss due to aging is known as a sarcopenia and naturally starts happening once you pass age 30. Without exercise, you will lose from 3 to 5% of your muscle mass per decade. Number 20. The hashtag symbol is technically called an octothorpe. According to the Merriam-Webster dictionary, the octo prefix refers to the 8 points on the popular symbol, but the thorpe remains a mystery. One theory claims that it comes from the Old English word for village, based on the idea that the symbol looks like a village surrounded by 8 friends. Number 21. Humans can track scents like a dog. Have you ever been amazed at the ability of dogs to follow scent trails and wondered why we can't? Research in 2017 showed that in fact we can. We don't have the advantage of the optimized airflow through a dog's nose, but if we practice a bit and get down to the level of a dog's nose, we can effectively track a trail of chocolate aroma laid across a field. Number 22. If the entire population of Earth was reduced to exactly 100 people, 51% would be female, 49% male, 50% of the world currency would be held by 6 people, 1% would be nearly dead, and one nearly born. Number 23. Cats only tend to meow to their mothers during childhood and to their owners when they want something. You will very rarely, if ever, see a cat meow at another otherwise. They generally communicate through howls, purrs, and hissing. Number 24. If you sneeze too hard, you can fracture a rib. If you try to suppress a sneeze, you can rupture a blood vessel in your head or a neck and die. If you keep your eyes open by force, they can pop out. Number 25. Do you really believe this? George Lumley, aged 104, married Mary Dunning, aged 10, in North Lurton, England, on August 25, 1783. She was the great-great-granddaughter of the woman who would broken her engagement to Lumley 8 years before. So which fact surprised you most? Tell me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this, let me know by clicking the like button. Do share, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can catch up my next video. Thank you.